Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Good evening everyone. I welcome you all to Ganesh IAS Academy. In today's session, we'll be seeing environment-based current affairs from the date February 1 to February 8, 2024. Let us get into the news articles one by one. The first news that we are going to discuss is black-necked crane. Why are black-necked cranes in news? Let us understand this in detail. The Wildlife Institute of India and the Zoological Survey of India have been carrying out assessment of the population of black-necked cranes. Okay? And according to 2016-17 assessment which was done by Wildlife Institute of India, the population size of the black-necked crane was around 66 to 69 individuals. Where? In which region? In the Ladakh region. Okay, that is where you find these black-necked cranes. And then even in Arunachal Pradesh, a small population of approximately 11 individuals arrives during the winter months. Okay, actually a question based on the habitat or the geographical location of black-necked crane was asked in one of the prelims examination of UPSC. Okay, so let us understand further more details about this particular news article. There are certain important steps which were taken to protect this bird species. What are all the efforts? Let us understand one by one. The first important step is that these bird species is listed in Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. So, if a bird is covered under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, then they are accorded the highest degree of protection. This is one step taken towards the protection of this species. Next is, the species is also listed in Appendix 1 of CITES and CMS. What is CITES and CMS here? CITES is the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, and CMS is Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species. So CMS and CITES. Under both these conventions, this black-necked crane is placed in Appendix 1. Okay. What else? The important habitats of these black-necked cranes has been notified as protected areas. For example, the Changtang Sanctuary in Ladakh. Okay, so the habitats, important habitats of these black-necked cranes are notified as protected areas. So when they are notified as protected areas, they get additional protection and conservation. Okay, next is Sokar Wetland Complex. Okay, this wetland complex is an important foraging and breeding ground for these birds, and it has been designated as Ramsar site in December 2020. So these are all the important steps which are taken towards the protection of these birds, that is black-necked crane. What else do we have to understand about black-necked crane? Certain features about black-necked crane. That they are medium-sized crane and it is native to Asia and endemic to Tibetan Plateau. So it is endemic to Tibetan Plateau. It is found only in Tibetan Plateau. Okay. Next is, it is a large wading bird with long legs and neck, and despite their lack of webbed feet, they do not have webbed feet. In spite of that, they are capable of swimming. They are excellent swimmers. Moreover, it is the only exclusively alpine species among the 15 species of cranes which are present in the world. So in the world there are 15 species of cranes present, and of this there is only one exclusively alpine species, and that is this black-necked crane. Okay, which is found in Ladakh and Arunachal regions of India. Okay, next is, this species is found in India, China and Bhutan and breeds in high altitude wetlands in Tibetan Plateau at elevation. So their breeding grounds is Tibetan Plateau. Okay, and they are found in India, China and Bhutan as well. Next is, a small wintering population is also found in Sangti and Zimitang Valley of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so a question based on this can be asked. Okay, the statement might go like this: that this black-necked crane is found only in Ladakh region of India. No, it is also found. A small wintering population is also found in Arunachal. Which valleys? Sangti and Zimitang Valley of Arunachal. Okay, so you must have to understand this very clearly. And these black-necked cranes are omnivorous in nature. Okay, so they are omnivorous. That is, they enjoy eating plant roots, tubers, snails, shrimps, and other small vertebrates and invertebrates. Okay, so they eat both vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. Okay, and then the IUCN conservation status of this species is near threatened, and the species is revered by a particular community in Arunachal Pradesh. They are the Monpa community. Okay, they are the major Buddhist ethnic group of Arunachal Pradesh, and they are favoring this bird. Why? Because it is revered by this community as an embodiment of the 6th Dalai Lama. Okay, so that is what we need to know about this particular species, that is black-necked crane. Okay.